In the pharmaceutical industry, particularly in medical affairs, effective communication is not just a skill, it's a non negotiable necessity. About 95% of what we do in medical affairs revolves around communication, be it disseminating complex scientific data, liaising with healthcare professionals, or educating internal teams. If you are communication shy or a poor communicator, this sector is simply not the right fit for you. What amplifies the need for communication skills as a core competency in medical affairs is the sheer volume and variety of communication channels at our disposal today. From traditional face to face meetings to digital platforms, the avenues are countless and can leave one grappling with choices. Which channel would we use and how we can use it effectively? In this sense, being a savvy communicator is not just about message clarity, it's also about channel optimization. Contrary to what you might expect, this module on effective communication will actually kick off by dissecting the concept of miscommunication. It's a counterintuitive yet crucial approach. By understanding what miscommunication looks like and recognizing how it infiltrates day to day business interactions, we can better appreciate the importance of effective communication. We have all experienced scenarios where a poorly worded email led to confusion, or where vague instructions resulted in wasted efforts. Such instances are not merely hiccups, they can have really cascading effect on productivity, team morale, and even business outcomes. Therefore, by starting with the pitfalls of miscommunication, we aim to set a vivid backdrop against which the principles of effective communication can be clearly understood and appreciated. So, what is miscommunication? Miscommunication is a breakdown in the effective exchange of information, where the intended message gets distorted, leading to misunderstandings, errors, or unintended actions. Every time I recall instances where I intended to convey a particular message to accomplish a specific goal, only to have it misinterpreted or misunderstood, it's a jarring reminder of the complexities involved. It's like setting the GPS for one destination and finding yourself somewhere entirely different. These experiences underscore the vital need for mastery in effective communication, especially when stakes are high and the room for error is small. Please read about the importance of effective communication in medical affairs in your module, and you will notice that we focused on internal communication a lot. So let's talk about internal communication in medical affairs. If we focus on internal communication, the importance is further magnified. Effective communication is at the heart of successful value proposition strategies in medical affairs. For instance, crafting a compelling value dossier for a new medication is only half the battle. The real challenge lies in effectively disseminating the crucial information across departments. A failure in this crucial step could undermine the strategic significance even for the most groundbreaking drug. Sharing best practices is another area where stellar communication is non-negotiable. Teams within medical affairs often possesses varying expertise and experiences. Being able to communicate this effectively not only fosters a culture of continuous improvement, but also will optimize efficiency. It prevents the wheel from being reinvented and instead builds upon the collective wisdom of the organization. This leads me to a topic I hold in high regard: the elevator pitch. This brief yet impactful speech presents effective communication in its finest form. Despite that it's a very old concept, but it is very useful. Within 30 to 60 seconds, you have the opportunity to encapsulate complex medical and strategic narratives into a compelling story. Whether pitching a new initiative to internal stakeholders or explaining the benefits of a new treatment approach, a well structured elevator pitch can be your most powerful asset. In your module, there are multiple examples of elevator pitches mainly focused on the value proposition of medical affairs. And we will also include the same in the course assignments. Because as a leader, knowing how to do it is halfway through. Because also you need to teach your team the same. And then, as per the order of your module, we talk about email communication, which is a critical channel of communication. The email can either elevate your professional standing or severely diminish it. From the subject line to the signature, every detail counts. The importance of crafting a professional email extends far beyond the actual words used. It includes appropriate punctuations, for example, and the overall tone of the message. When executed correctly, an email serves as a tool for clear and effective communication, resonating with the recipient in the manner you intended. Therefore, mastering the art of email writing is important for everyone striving to excel in this field. Please read more information in your module. As we close this session on effective communication, let's reflect on its indispensable role in medical affairs. Optimizing communication channels and mastering the art of interactions are core competencies that directly impact your value proposition, best practices, and overall efficiency in this area. I hope you will walk away with not just the knowledge, but the confidence to employ these communication strategies in this course in a way that is both impactful and resonant. Remember, effective communication is not just about transferring information, it's about understanding the emotions and intentions behind that information. Thank you for your active participation. Let's continue to push the boundaries of what we can achieve through truly effective communication.